Number 6. Do someone a favor. It means to help someone out, to do something helpful for someone.
Can you do me a favor and shut the door? Can you do me a favor and shut the door? I did him a favor by driving him home. I did him a favor by driving him home. She always does her friends favors. She always does her friends favors.
Number 7. Do someone a good turn. It means to perform a kind or helpful act for someone.
He did someone a good turn by offering his seat. He did someone a good turn by offering his seat. Doing someone a good turn makes both feel good. Doing someone a good turn makes both feel good. Yesterday, I did her a good turn with chores. Yesterday, I did her a good turn with chores.
Number 8. Do gymnastics. It means to participate in the sport that involves exercises and routines.
My sister does gymnastics every Thursday. My sister does gymnastics every Thursday. He started to do gymnastics at age 5. He started to do gymnastics at age 5. They do gymnastics to improve flexibility. They do gymnastics to improve flexibility.
Number 9. Do your hair. It means to style or arrange your hair.
She does her hair every morning before school. She does her hair every morning before school. I'll do my hair before we go out. I'll do my hair before we go out. He doesn't take long to do his hair. He doesn't take long to do his hair.
Number 10. Do your homework. It means to complete school assignments at home.
Please do your homework before watching TV. Please do your homework before watching TV. She did her homework right after school. She did her homework right after school. He forgot to do his homework yesterday. He forgot to do his homework yesterday.